10 ways to protect the environment. Protecting the environment is essentially if we want to preserve the flora and fauna of the natural world for future generation. Below are 10 simple ways to conserve the environment. So why not start now? First, save water. Install a water saving device in your taps, toilet and showers. Turn off the tap when you brush your teeth and collect rainwater to water your backyard with instead of using a hose. Simple acts like this can all add up and you can save gallons of water every day. Second, go vegan. Animal agriculture takes a vast swathes of land and emits a high amount of gases. In addition, animal agriculture is responsible for deforestation as forests are cut down to make room for pasture or for crops of animals to eat. Get your energy from a plant-based diet and help to save the environment. Third, take public transport whenever possible. Reduce your carbon footprint by taking the train or bus to work or walking, which is very healthy. In addition, you will also save money by not purchasing a gas guzzling car. And when it comes to air travel, try and limit your carbon emission by taking the sleeper train instead of shorter distance flights. Plane travel is one of the biggest contributors of greenhouse gases that come from private individual rather than corporation. 4. Responsible. Buy items that will last. Do not escapes to the culture of fast fashion and buy cheap clothing that wears out quickly and ends up in landfill. Look for ethical vegan companies with a low carbon footprint. If possible, your buying habits can protect the environment. Fifth, recycle. Don't contribute to the island of trash floating in your ocean. Recycle can reuse packing and other waste material wherever possible to help save the environment. You can even recycle when you are away from home. For example, why not bring your own travel mug to caps instead of taking away a paper cup which is not always recyclable. Sixth, taking community action. Become a conservation activist, writer, letter, attend demonstration and educate others about how to save the environment. Let corporation with a poor ecological record now that you will take your custom elsewhere unless they change their ways. People power can really get things done. Seventh, sponsor an animal. Zoos are come to many endangered animal and they will often let you sponsor one to help to contribute to its fast shelter and general upkeep. You will usually get a certificate and regular update when you sponsor an animal, and this can make a wonderful birthday gift as well. 8. Avoid fossil fuels. Save fuel by insulating your home with double glazing and sealants for cracks. Choose green fuel and power source such as wind and solar energy instead of fossil fuel like coal, which contribute to the greenhouse effect, making the switch is easier than you might think. And you may be surprised to know that you can use solar energy in the winter tool. Ninth, plant trees. Cultivated wild species in your backyard or engage in community reforestation project. Even the simple act of planting trees or butterfly a friendly plant in your garden can really help to boost population of these beautiful yet often struggling insect population in your local area. 10. Appreciate the environment. It is hard to feel motivated to save the environment when we feel disconnected from it. So take time to appreciate the environment. Go for walks, meditate in a park, in a local park or other greenhouse, and do a little gardening each weekend. That you will realize how much better a glorious natural world can make our lives, and this will help to spur you on to take action to conserve the environment of future generation. Conclusion: it is vital, and we all act now if we are to halt global warming and prevent the mass extinction of many of your beloved species of plant and animals. Luckily, there are plenty of things that you can do in order to protect the environment, and with all of them, you can start right away. So, adapt your travel plans, get out in a garden, and start saving water around the home. Why not you try and follow all these 10 of these guidelines by the end of the year?